Hey there, here's how to enable the hotspot on your iPhone so your MacBook can get onto the internet using your mobile phone's data. So we'll start off with the iPhone. What we do is go to Settings, and from here, this is the main menu. Just take a look for Personal Hotspot. Now if you don't see this, go into Mobile Services and enable it there. You can see I have Personal Hotspot, so I shall press it. What we need to do is allow others to join, and you can change the password here if you have one which has a lot of numbers and letters, so it's easier to type in. What you'll also need to know is the device's name. So if you go back to this main settings window and we go to General, then About, just at the top here you can see your device's name. Mine is iPhone D. So I'll go back to the personal hotspot window. I have my password here, and we need this password when we go to the MacBook, which I'm about to do now. To connect the MacBook to the iPhone now, we click on the Wi-Fi icon just at the top here. Here you can see underneath personal hotspot, I have iPhone D. This is because I have connected before. However, if I hadn't, you may see it in the list, or you may need to expand other networks. I've connected before and I shall connect now. If you look on the iPhone, you see a symbol which just lets you know that a device has connected to your phone. So that's how you connect the MacBook. Now, if you want to disconnect, you can simply click this button here. Alternatively, on the iPhone, you can just turn it off here. So I hope that's helped. Let me know in the comments if you plan on using this frequently. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day ahead.